So the 16th reason you should hire a life coach is because a life coach helps you learn how to think rather than what to think. I think we live in a world where people want to tell you what to think. Like, you look around, especially in India, I know for sure that we're in a culture where everybody just ready to give you their thoughts about things, advice. Like, I remember without me even asking for it, so many people come to me saying, you know what, this is what you should do because you'll get more followers, and you know what, this is what you should do. Maybe you should start with marketing firm so that you can increase your revenue. So these people a lot of times don't even have an understanding of what I'm trying to move towards in my business, or what I've tried, what I've not tried, right? So what makes them say that I should do that? A belief about what I want, right? Like their thoughts about what I want. And that's the reality of the culture we live in. Even as adults, people think that they know what we want better for us, or they can give us thoughts and advice that is going to be useful, and we should think that way, which is not surprising because that's why we look for mentors and other people and we want them to tell us what to do, because we don't know that, so somebody else will tell us, right? And I think that has been one of my biggest takeaway from coaching. I think from the last 6 years since I found Life Coach School, I've been getting coached regularly, week after week, sometimes with multiple coaches. And one of the biggest value add that coaches have done is to help me understand that I get to think the way I want to think, and nobody else has the capacity to tell me what to think in the way that's going to work for me. And the way they do that is sometimes frustrating. Like, I remember being on coaching calls in the beginning and going with a problem, and then all the coach is doing is asking me questions. Like, for example, I was really frustrated with some of the things that were happening in my office with some stakeholders in politics, and I was like, I'm so frustrated because she's doing that, and I was referring to a stakeholder, and all the coach is doing is asking me questions. And he was like, okay, so what why do you feel frustrated? And then as I speak my truths and whatever my thoughts are, and as I'm speaking about that, it gives me clarity of what am I thinking, and is it actually a fact, or is it just a bullshit belief I have had that is not even aligned with what I want, right? So one of the beliefs that I found out through this process was that I was thinking, you know what, I'm just until this stakeholder changes her behavior, I can't feel at ease with my job, and so I should leave it. Now that I'm saying out loud, it is so stupid, right? Like, it's like literally giving away the power of my ease and freedom in the hands of another, the way stakeholder decides to behave. How illogical is that? But I was thinking it, right? And when the coach held that space and asked me that question, and I specifically remember the next question that he asked me. He was like, who do you want to be through this transition? And I was like, oh my God, I never thought that I could choose different thoughts about it. I never thought that I could be whoever I want to be, irrespective of what the stakeholder does or doesn't do, right? So these bunch of questions just helped me how to think. He wasn't giving me the thoughts to think. He was just helping me learn how to evaluate my own thoughts and whether they're working for me, and then move on to a new set of thoughts that are actually working for me. And that's, I think, the biggest thing that any coach can give you, or anybody frankly can give you, that give you the power and give you the ability to really step into your own power, and trusting that you can figure out what are the thoughts that are serving you and what are the thoughts that are not serving you. So there you have it, my friend. 16th reason why you should hire a life coach is because the life coach helps you learn how to think so that you can become that unstoppable version of yourself that is ready to take on the world, because she has the capacity to evaluate her own thoughts and constantly choose thoughts that are serving her and let go of the thoughts that are not serving her, right? So if that resonates with you, and if you're ready to hire a life coach, then reach out. You can start your new year and completely change what 2025 is going to look like if you're ready to hire a coach. Reach out. Okay, bye.